This is a CNC plate profile cutting system for cutting plates of sizes of up to 12 by 3 meters. 3 meters is the width of the system, while 12 meters is the length. Due to space constraint, only 6 meters have been assembled here. This runs on, the gantry system runs on these rails which have elevated rails which have these rack and pinion arrangements. It has a dual drive system wherein there are servo motors on both ends. You can see that the plasma torch is assembled here. You can also see that cutting has been done. That profile has been cut on a 38. This profile has been cut on a 38 mm SS plate. This cut finish is on a 25 mm MS plate. This is the cutting finish on 45 mm MS plate. The system has a dedicated controller which is assembled here. The controller is mounted here and it has a design library wherein multiple shapes can be selected and cut. The controller is accessed through these buttons here. This panel is specifically for the piercing control using plasma. This is the HMI unit which takes care of the piercing. This is the power source of 300 amps. We shall be showing the cutting using this. This system helps to do the piercing without damaging the torch. I shall demonstrate how it is done. Initially, the torch goes down and it touches the plate when piercing operation starts. It touches the plate, goes up to a certain defined height by the operator, and as soon as piercing starts, it shall go up again a little bit more in order to maintain the life of the front cap and nozzles, so that they are not damaged by the material that is flying up at the time of piercing. And once the piercing is complete, the torch moves down again to its determined height and goes ahead with the cutting. We shall now start with the cutting trial for your plate. Now we will be cutting this 38 mm plate and we will demonstrate you the cutting of this on video. It is being cut using this power source of 300 amps. It is being cut at 245 ampere. We shall be starting the cutting now. Square has been cut on the system now. We shall show you the cut surface as well. We shall show you the cut surface as well. This is the cut finish.